Discover Hang Bong Street, a must-visit in Hanoi's Old Quarter. Located in Hanoi's Old Quarter, Hang Bong Street blends history, culture, and modern charm. Once a cotton trading hub, it now offers diverse attractions for visitors. What to explore? Rich history, a former cotton trade center, now a vibrant cultural street. Shopping paradise, silk, handicrafts, and souvenirs abound. Culinary delights, savor authentic Vietnamese dishes and international flavors. Cultural hub, festivals and events celebrate Hanoi's traditions. Vibrant nightlife, bars, live music, and night markets keep the energy alive. Accommodation options, from budget stays to luxury hotels. Easy access, conveniently reachable by foot, taxi, or motorbike. Visitor tips, visit early or late to avoid crowds. Watch for traffic, and bargain while shopping. Hang Bong Street is where history meets modern vibrancy. Don't miss it.